There was no smoke coming from their chimney. That small detail stopped Emma cold on a snowy morning as she passed the house next door. Mr. and Mrs. Laurent had lived there for years. Quiet, rarely smiling. Most neighbors had stopped trying long ago, assuming they just wanted to be left alone. Emma didn't assume. She grabbed warm bread and a pot of hot soup, and she and Daniel knocked on their door. Inside, the couple sat shivering. Their firewood had run out days ago. They were too proud to ask for help. Daniel chopped wood without saying a word. Emma lit the fire and stayed until the warmth came back to the room. The next morning, the Laurents smiled. Really smiled. For the first time in years. Other neighbors noticed. Then they started visiting too. A home that had been silent for so long slowly filled with laughter. Nobody had been unfriendly. They had just been forgotten. One knock on a door changed that. Kindness doesn't need a reason. It just needs someone willing to show up. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe. Thank you.